Hello and welcome to this very quick video about this device here. Now, those of you that have a RadioMaster radio have probably noticed that there's a couple of holes at the bottom, and behind those holes are actually threads, so you could screw something into it. Now, when I started noticing this, I was kind of getting in touch with RadioMaster and asking, so what are these holes for? And they tongue-in-cheek kind of replied and said, whatever you want. And it looks like a gentleman called Peter has come up with an idea of one of the things that we can do with those two holes. And this is really aimed at those of you that don't want to dangle it from the neck strap holder in the middle of the radio that would potentially obscure things like the screen and also potentially get in the way of things like the 6-position buttons and other things too. He's actually put this together, so it means that you can screw this into the bottom of the radio, it won't hurt anything, and then you have these two arms that can be extended that can be connected to a neck strap. Now this makes it more of a tray style radio kind of setup where the attachment point is at the bottom and it can sit against your chest or your stomach, and then you have free and easy access to all the different pieces. This actually comes as a kit. This is actually how it arrives. There is a bit of assembly needed. I'm going to go through this. There isn't currently any manual, so let me show you how you put this together. The only thing to take note of here is that for this bottom piece we have one side that has like a raised hole and the other side hasn't, so just make a note of that. And you'll notice that for these arms there are two longer ones and two shorter ones. The two shorter ones are going to go on the side with a slightly raised piece, the longer ones are going to go on the other side. The rings go through the top. There are two smaller black screws that go through, and then each side there is a longer screw with a little nylock nut. Now these pieces feel like they're pretty much off the CNC cutting table. He does include a little piece of sandpaper, so just go round all the edges, make sure everything is nice and easy, make sure there's no burrs or sharp bits. There's no sharp bits on these things, it just doesn't feel quite finished, which is why you get a little piece of sandpaper. And then all you do is you sandwich the bottom plate between the two arms, pop the screw through the whole thing, and then put the ring piece through the top, and you've kind of built it. It's designed that way so that the shorter arm can be folded down underneath the larger arm, and it can be much more low profile and kind of fit in the bottom of the radio like that. So again, just a very quick video to let you know that this thing exists. If you do like these styles of attachment and you like to have them radio connected to you in a way where you can easily get to all the controls, looks like Peter now has you covered. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button, it helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.